Well, both teams have found heroes along the way. Both have been involved in big games with dramatic outcomes. It's a 7th final for Inter and a 2nd for PSG. And it's a wonderful stadium for the final, one of the best in the whole of Europe, and it's a picture here tonight in Munich. PSG chasing history as well as a treble. Inter want to be the first Italian team for 15 years to be European champions, and the stage is well and truly set. Comes in Ruiz, Vitinha, it's a lovely ball through Doue, flag stays down, accepted by Hakimi. And based on the fact he was once an Inter Milan player, there's barely a celebration from the right back of Paris Saint-Germain. Doué's up there, so is Fabian Ruiz and João Neves. It's Doue to hit one and it's in. How quick it can happen against this Paris Saint-Germain team. And poor old Di Marco was in the wrong place at the wrong time again. And PSG lead 2-0 after 20 minutes. And they're in complete control of this Champions League final. It's a game from PSG. On it goes in now to Doue. Doué's in! That is brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. And it's capped off by this wonderfully talented young player. But the football from Paris Saint-Germain sublime. They're 3 up in the Champions League final, and they're going to make history tonight. They're going to win the Champions League.
I'll tell you what it's been a mismatch. It really has. This just sums it up. Everything about.
And Dembele's got Kvaratskhelia in, and he's bearing down on goal, and it's 4-0. The Parisian celebrations are well and truly underway, and for the first time in a Champions League final. Barkler has come out to the left, which is his more natural position. Mayulu. Barkler gives it back to him, and it's in! It's number 5, and he can't believe it, look at it! Senny Mayulu, 18 years of age, and he can't believe he scored in a Champions League final, and he's being mobbed by everybody from the Paris Saint-Germain bench. He's an academy boy, born and raised at PSG. Time whistle. It's history for Paris Saint-Germain. Finally they reach the end of the yellow brick road. Finally they can call themselves European champions. And finally they will get to hold the trophy that's become their holy grail. And they've done it in historic style. 5-0 winners tonight, 2 for Doue. Goals for Hakimi, Kvaratskhelia and Mayulu. They're just the 2nd French club in history to win it, following Marseille in 1993. And a team that's dazzled and entertained has won an historic treble of League, Cup and Champions League. What a night, what a performance, what a season.